Hi, good morning. Right now it's about 7:30, and because of the higher elevation, it's actually still dark, and with the fog, it's not much. I still got to hike with my headlamp on. Just left a Mollies Ridge shelter. This is a very good night sleeping. Today I planning a long hike for me, which is 12 miles to Derrick shelter. Okay, watch out my step. I hope the sun will come out soon. Can't really see much up front. For this 12 miles will be lots of up and down. Got some couple mountains today too. Because of the rain all day, I don't know I can film too much. This is only still a beginning, but kind of the sky light up a little bit. Like I said earlier that today is 12 miles and 2 or 3 tall mountains got a summit. First one I think is the Rocky Top, and then Storm Mountain, something like that. Hope that the weather getting a little bit better when I summit there. Okay, rain coming back. Alright, see you a little bit. Hi again. I thought that the rain come on and off. Actually, it's the wind blow the tree. The tree shaking and give me a little short shower. But today is in the afternoon we'll have a good chance of raining. Hopefully it won't be too far away from my shelter. The next shelter I aim at is Derrick. Like I said before, it's 12 miles away. Today is a day 2. I am on Smoky. The Mollies Ridge shelter actually very nice, and I have like 5 gentlemen with me. I'm the only woman. Not surprised. And Russell Field shelter. No bathroom though. Okay, let me take a break here. Again, this is a Russell Field shelter. 2-layer water source is down here about 100 feet away. Not running very good, but still water source. Next thing I will come across is Spencer Field shelter, also about 3 miles away. The reason I get water here because in the Spencer, the trail water source even further down. It's 2 miles. So this is still easier to get, but heavy. Other than that, ring holding. Okay, enjoying it. See you a little bit. I think what you're looking at, one of this must be a Rocky Top or Thunderstorm Mountain. This is about 12-15, and this is right here. I am finally get to the Spencer Field shelter, but this is just too early for me to call off the day. But if I don't take this one, I must proceed for the next 6 miles, including Summit, Thunderstorm Mountain and Rocky Top Mountain, to get to my next shelter. 12:15 call of the day is too early. With kind of weather of, this is the trail in, I think a 1 or 2 miles to the Spencer Field, and it's still overcast. Okay, Derrick last shelter is 6.3. If I have to move on, I have to make 6.3. Okay, this is all others local trail. And only thing I may think is good for the Russell Field shelter is the PV. But I don't think it's needed for, and then the rest of the day just staying there. Either today or tomorrow I will have 12 miles day anyway. Otherwise I will not make to the Newfound Gap. But tomorrow might be a little better weather, but so far I'm still kind of feeling okay. So this 6 miles, this is 12:15 or 12:20 now. Most likely get to the next shelter by 5. Definitely not 6. It's getting dark. All right. Either today or tomorrow I have to make the 12 miles. Since so far I'm okay, so keep on going. Okay, this is one of the viewpoint, and a little overcast, light rain, but still a viewpoint here. Just on my way top to Thunder Storm Mountain, light rain. I think I kind of somewhat rocky. Get a little closer. Awesome, right? But there's a rain. The rain is not that great though. I don't know if you can see it on my background. This is an awesome view for this side. I still can go up more to check the scenic, but with the rain like this, I just gotta stay put to take some of this. Okay. All right, let's see I can go more. Hope the rain stops for a second. Look at this magnificent. I don't know I am in Thunder Mountain somewhere yet. This is a great view. Ooh. Wish I had more time to stay here. Look at it. Get this really close up for you. Wow. Wish you were here. What can I say? Really, I will hope the video captured good. Okay, gotta go. Okay, you see this is a logo here, the trail mark here. According to Guidebook, I am in Thunderstorm Mountain. Obviously, this is not much we can see. I think I took some video before that. Okay, keep continue. All right, see you a bit. This is Sugar Tree Gap. It's almost 5 o'clock. It's been raining all day, cannot film. And this is the trail I go up to my shelter, which is still about 1 mile more uphill. Okay, see you when I get there. I am finally get to the Derrick shelter. The phone is too wet and also not working, no got hope to. 6 about 12 miles and rain all day. Get to the Derrick shoulder. Okay, I'll be going there. See you later.